See, I care, right? Even though nobody really cares about what I go through, but I'm going to still let y'all know what time it is, right? I went into this library today, and I seen this person just walking around in the library just coughing. Just kept coughing, coughing everywhere. And the librarian who waited on is a very healthy lady, real nice lady. She take her job serious. She direct you to what you need, the computers, the book, and I pray for her. Very healthy 2 days ago. Nice and sweetheart. But there was someone else walking around the library, and she had this strong, hard cough. See, a lot of y'all gonna start seeing that the people that go out every day to deal with people every day is gonna bring you something home. I call it the killer cough because there's a name to it, but I'm not gonna try to have everybody all hysterical and scared, but it's something to think about. And it's flying in the air. This can be it's going to be very sad because, like I said, the times of Exodus is here. I told you about the food, that video downloading right now, and this killer cough is out here. So just act like it's C19 this time, but this is more stronger than C19. And you got a lot of people that's undocumented, that's coming to America on planes, boats, trains, all kinds of transportation, just walking through the border. And this killer cough is highly contagious. It puts you in the mind of that movie, The Stand, where they call it the super flu. But this is not a flu. This cough can kill you in a couple of days. Matter of fact, it'll let you live like weeks and months sometime until the carrier is always stronger than the person who's catching it. And this killer cough is out here. Like a lot of people, they like to smoke and drink behind people. And you can be a person who's sitting in your home every day, but this person goes out and about, just doing a daily job. And it's not their fault, but the killer cough is out here. Animals, birds, small rodents can catch this killer cough. And I told you that a lot of my music that I recorded, some of them are freestyles. And it even shocked me because some of this stuff is freestyles. Like, I know the creator gave me some of this music to actually put out. And the killer cough is here. Like, you won't get a fever. You won't get a sign. They have to test you to see do you have the killer cough. And if you notice in the book of Exodus, there was this plague that hit the people of Egypt. And the Hebrews, they had to put the blood of the lamb on their doorways. The killer cough is here, y'all. It can be contracted just with one cough. A person can cough in a store, for example. Go to the counter. They can touch a bag of chips. They can touch a soda. They can change their mind and return something. And return that killer cough. It stays on any surface for like 24 hours. And what's sad is they're not letting people know because they know if the people know about it, they're going to panic. They're going to go crazy. And signs of the killer cough is you might cough and have a handkerchief, or you might blow your nose and you see like a speck of blood, but you won't get a headache. You won't see it in your eyes. I mean, I don't care what kind of lights they use. You will not see it on your skin, but it's there. It's there. It's one of them plagues that we read about. And a lot of children, They got ways to try to help the children, but the children can bring it home from the schoolhouse, the playground, a swing set, a toy they touched, a crayon, a paper, just a bus stop, the buses, the libraries, the workplace. This is the killer cough. This is the cough I'm telling you about, like, and this cough here is, there's no social distance for it. There's no boundaries about this cough. This cough can attach itself to animals, food, any kind of containment. Like, so I'm telling y'all, don't have everybody all scared. I ain't saying be selfish, but please cover your faces, because this killer cough is deadlier than anything you ever seen. And the sad thing about it is you won't even know if you have the killer cough. It'll wait months. And you'll think it's an allergic reaction. But by me being intuitive and an empath, I'm actually knowing the difference between an allergy cough and a real cough. You have people out here that just have conversations with you just to give you that killer cough. And they'll be like, oh, it's nothing. It's just allergic reaction for the pollen, or it's just something, the humidity or whatever. I'm just letting you know. Y'all be careful who you smoke with, who you drink with, who you hang around, who you sit in the car with, who you walk in the store by. Just be careful, man. This killer cough is biblical. It's been mentioned in the book of Exodus. And my concern is, are you ready for that? This is no BS. The killer cough is here. It's nothing like C-19. Nothing at all. It's more deadlier. Y'all be careful and keep your face covered.